Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel. We are celebrating today 1,000 subscribers. I am super excited, and I thank all of you who have subscribed for showing me your support. I appreciate it very much. If you're new here, just ask you to go ahead and check out some of the other videos. Go ahead and mash on that subscribe button also. But we are working on this starter, on this Softail. But we are taking a break now so we can thank all of the 1,000 subscribers who have banded it together to help this channel grow to 1,000. And in honor of that, good friend of mine, Retro, from Retro Threads, he has a YouTube channel called Retro TV. And Retro took some time to send me a little care package just to say congrats for hitting 1,000 subs. Yogi Clan, enjoy. Ride fast, pray hard. RFPH Retro. Sweet. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Ride fast, pray hard stickers. That's going to be perfect for what I have planned right now. And two other things in here. Retro TV. Go ahead and check him out. A patch to sew on a vest. It says, ride fast, pray hard. His logo, and also a pin that matches the patch, ride fast, pray hard. Pin, patch, and some stickers. So let's go ahead. We're going to put ride fast, pray hard right there. We're going to put ride fast, pray hard right there. All right, this is my YouTube cabinet. I have 3 YouTubers on here so far. PA Bearded Biker, Zach First Person, and Blue Bike and Doyle. And what I want to add to that, because we're going to talk about memories over the past 1 year and 4 months that it took me to get to 1,000 subscribers. One of the big memories that I have is brought to you by the Geared Raven. Yes, we had a Race to 500 sub challenge, and this is the shirt. We sent each other shirts after we're done, so Geared Raven sent me a shirt. I thank you, Mary, very much for that. And not only did she send me a shirt, but she sent me a Mama Mafia sticker and a Geared Raven sticker. I'm hoping one day to fill up this whole cabinet. The problem is I know I need to return the favor, and Yogi hasn't gone out and gotten any stickers yet. So Yogi will do that soon. Yogi's just been busy. So we're going to put right next to Blue Bike and Doyle, we're going to put the Geared Raven. Next to the Geared Raven, the back with Retro TV, we're going to put Ride Fast, Pray Hard, which means that this one, I don't know if you can see this, it's on here too. Safety third. Ride fast first, pray hard second, safety third. Isn't that awesome? Sweet! Put a little plug on this too here. Shop all our gear at linktr.ee/shop-retro. There you go. Sweet. One more. Mama Mafia. There's Geared Raven. Mama Mafia. Sweet. Let's go back to the other side because I got some stories to tell. So thank you very much, Geared Raven and Retro TV, for the stickers. I appreciate it. Man, I appreciate the support. It's just huge. I thank you both for reaching out and supporting Yogi Cycle Service. Other stickers that have meant something to me in 2019 when we got this up. So January of this year, took my son up to help him move up to Detroit. He got a new job in Detroit. Didn't really video any of that and bring that to YouTube. That was more of a personal family thing, but he is doing very well in Detroit. Talked to, I believe, is it Wigsley on 2 wheels? Wind up hooking him up with my son. See if we can get my son a bike. I'm a Walmart guy and an Ozark guy, but this year I'm proud to say I got my first Yeti. I know y'all don't care about that, but I do. My daughter goes to school at Lynchburg, so be kind, love others, don't be a jerk. Got a new holster I did not do a review of, but thank you, Alien Gear. You guys make a good product. Fully support them for any holster needs that you may have. Alien Gear's got some good stuff. And they're kind of affordable too. All balls stickers, because what's more fun than when you get a new starter, it's called all balls, right? What's more fun to say than that? Next, saw this at Lowe's. Just had to get it. Lawful concealed carry on this property permit. And last but not least, if you remember a few videos ago, I reviewed a ceramic coating. And that ceramic coating was made by Atomic. The last sticker I have is my Atomic sticker. Here we go. Atomic Supply Company. Thank you, Sean, for the awesome product and the awesome sticker. And that's it. So I really want to thank everybody who has supported me in this past year and 4 months. I appreciate it greatly. Now let's go ahead and get back to changing out this starter. So thank you for stopping by. All right, Yogi, have a great day.